Listen, good things take time, huh?
Yeah, of course, and that's no problem. But that's the beauty. Like if you have a lot of stuff outsourced or automated, you have time for something else. Like it would be completely different if you were if you were doing everything yourself, or you have an extra job next to it. So I'm thankful I can do that. But podcast wise, it's not necessarily crazy updates. That's the downside. But
at this point, I can't imagine my life without, my businesses and my digital assets and all of this. I mean, like, I feel if you don't have the digital assets, you're missing out. It's like
the question, thing is, if you don't know, you're not missing out. That's probably the thing. But once you know, once you've maybe understand how it is, then you can live without. But it also depends. Like with the coaching call, with Julio. Shout out to you. He's probably listening. Julio. I think he likes to be a little bit more involved with his YouTube channels. At least that's like how it seems like what he's doing, and that's fine as well. So it fully depends on how you are as a person.
Yeah, but I'm just talking about, like, we talked about it the first time not the first time, when we went to Bali last year, we talked about leverage. You got to get leverage, right?
Yeah.
So it's like, if you're just living your life and you're not creating anything of leverage, I think you're just wasting your time.
Yeah. Or you need to have a job or something else what you really enjoy. Like then you're not wasting.
But
a
job is also not leverage.
It's not leverage. But if you have a job you really like I don't know, you like to care for people, or I have no idea, then go ahead. But like, at least having some sort of additional income is smart, because you never know how the world will go. You never know if there may be like with the coming of AI is also coming. So if you have a job that can easily be replaced by AI, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but like 5 years from now, it could be that your skill set is not required as much anymore. Maybe you need to work less. Then having an additional income is very nice. It's very, like, you go way relaxed to your work or to your projects if you have an additional income coming in every day, because you're like, the urgency is not that high. So like, I know when I was in my 9 to 5, a lot of people don't want to actually say their opinions, or they're afraid to actually say their opinions, how they think about certain things, because they're afraid maybe they'll go against someone who's above them. So they rather stay quiet to be safe and not like maybe get fired. Like, that's always something in the back of their heads. If you actually have an extra income, that's like a big chunk of your monthly, what you're monthly getting in, then at work, you notice you will be also way more relaxed, because you're not fully reliant on your job. So you actually might just say some things that are on your mind a little bit easier than not. That's what I've experienced, at least.
Independence.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's the beauty of it. Independence. Yeah. Well, what you said is like, the primary driver for people is like fear. They don't want to say anything because they fear that it's going to go against someone, right? So I think if fear is your primary driver, then your life sucks, man.
Yeah.
Because like, I love my work. I keep saying it like almost daily to my girlfriend, to my friends. Like, I really like. I wake up, I go to the lake, and on my way back from the lake, from the swim, I'm like, I just can't get back to work. Like, I even want to skip breakfast. Like, I just want to get my coffee and I just want to go straight to. I just love everything about it. I love my setup, love my computer, the keyboard, the camera, the delivery, and I feel like I'm getting better. And at the same time, this work that I'm doing is, I'm creating like these small kind of workers that are working for me 24/7 while I'm sleeping. Like, I mean, how crazy is the time that we live in?
Yeah, I agree. And I think everybody should make use of that. Like, at least if your goal is to be a little bit more independent and make money online, like, why not? Like, unfortunately, the whole world or systems that are in place right now is built on money. So you need to make money somehow. Why not make it in a way that you at least have time to enjoy yourself with maybe other stuff?